everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. I have finally gotten this bed weeded of the massive carpet of chickweed. Save me your love of chickweed. You can grow it at your house, but I don't want it as a solid ground cover in my ornamental beds. But I am going to replace it with something that I think is far more delicious. That is kohlrabi. Now this is the kohlrabi that Abby and I started, I guess about a month ago, and I am just gonna fill it in essentially really tight, probably 2-3 inches apart, so that it forms a ground cover. I've already planted 36 different colors, a mix of different gladiolus bulbs. Those will pop up, flower in the summer, but for this short term, sort of intermediate time period, kohlrabi is gonna do the trick to help fill in all this space and prevent more weed seeds from germinating. So that's always the goal, ground plane coverage with plants that you actually want to grow, not things that just happen, like chickweed. Well, I think I have earned this beer tonight. I've got a wheelbarrow full of weeds, and I'm really satisfied with having this bed cleaned up and replanted with one of my favorite springtime vegetables, kohlrabi. It reminds me of my grandparents, and I'm super excited to be harvesting these in a few weeks. Thanks so much for watching.